AI agents are moving into production. The Open Claw agent is a powerful example, capable of querying customer data, executing business-critical actions, and interacting with back-end systems via MCP. Today, we show how NVIDIA NeMo Claw and DAXA work together to govern this agent end-to-end, from the gateway to the endpoint. The Open Claw agent is deployed via an NVIDIA NeMo blueprint with OpenShell runtime isolation. When it registers through the DAXA gateway, the dashboard shows it immediately, with NeMo Claw protection status displayed prominently alongside the agent. Security and compliance teams see both layers in one view. The agent tries to update a client trade order in Airtable. DAXA's MCP action policy blocks write operations for this agent class. The action is stopped, logged, and a violation is raised. Now a more serious scenario. A compromised client record in Airtable carries an indirect prompt injection, instructing the agent to exfiltrate customer account data to an external endpoint. DAXA detects the injection, blocks the downstream MCP call, and flags it as a prompt injection violation in the dashboard. At the same time, NVIDIA's OpenShell isolation layer is enforcing its own controls at the endpoint. Enforcement policies like these, covering which external endpoints are permitted and which file paths are accessible, can be pushed down from DAXA's governance layer to NeMo at deployment time. The agent attempts an outbound API call to a non-whitelisted endpoint. OpenShell blocks it at the network layer before the request ever leaves the box. The agent also attempts to write a file to a restricted path outside its permitted directory. OpenShell denies the file system access. That event flows back into DAXA's audit log, giving compliance teams a unified trace across both layers. This is the complete picture. DAXA governs at the gateway: data classification, MCP action policies, injection detection, identity-aware controls. NeMo guardrails and OpenShell enforce at the endpoint: network isolation, file system boundaries, runtime constraints. One governance layer coordinating enforcement across the full stack. OpenClaw, govern top to bottom. DAXA and NVIDIA, from gateway to endpoint.